Hey guys, so this is just a quick video on how to get your key to turn if it's stuck in the ignition in like the back position and just won't turn. This is a GMC Sonoma, basically a Chevy S10, and the car was shut off and the key was turned all the way into like that back off position on accident. And basically what happened is when I got back to start the truck, it was stuck right there, and I put a lot of force. It wouldn't move as much as I could do with my wrist, and I was like, well, anymore, it's just gonna break it. So I waited, and I came back the next day and brought a bunch of tools. I took apart this whole assembly down here. So above and below, this is all taken apart, and I'm not gonna waste your time trying to explain how to take that off. There's plenty of videos on YouTube about how to do that, but I didn't see any videos on this particular problem, so I kind of had to figure it out. So I figured I'd put one out. So what the issue was is it's stuck in here, and I was like about to take this whole unit off. This whole gray thing here, I was about to take this whole unit off, and so I was like, well, first I'm gonna pull this piece out. So I pulled this piece out, and I was like, well, let me just try it after I've pulled this out and see. So let me take the key out and show you what this piece is. So it's a, sorry for all the shaking, it's a whatever this is, I don't know what it does. I guess it has something to do with the locking mechanism when you pull the key all the way back. But it's a wire that goes all the way down in here, right? So I took a screwdriver and I pushed down on this tab. Let me grab a screwdriver and show you. It's hard to do with one hand, but I took a screwdriver and I pushed down on that tab, and I kind of just pried this unit out of here. Okay? So I pulled that all the way out, and I pulled it to here, and I noticed there's a little white thing. Now let me see if this white thing will come out. I started pulling the entire thing out, and the first time I did. I don't know if I can get it out this time. I don't even know exactly what it does other than something with the locking mechanism. Yeah, it looks like it's not gonna come. It's clipped in there. I don't wanna mess it up doing it again, but I'm sure it's okay. This might have been enough to pull it out, I don't know, but somehow it was jammed with this little white thing that's above there. So I pulled this thing all the way out. There's a little white piece above it that moves on it, and just pulled it all the way out. And as soon as I put my key in, the ignition would move back and forth, and I could get it to turn and to start the car. So if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I just figured this out. I'm kind of stoked about it, but I hope someone can find this useful and informative and helpful. So if you have any questions, let me know. And quick addendum to that is just that the reason why this thing wouldn't come out is because the key was in the normal position. But if you've got it in the locked, like the back position right here, that's where it comes out. So that was my problem. The car was too far back and that thing was jammed. So if you pull it in the back position, that'll come out. But now it's free as a bird.